How to use Eleusine indica for coughs. 1. Add decoction herbal tea. This is the most common method for cough treatment. Ingredients: fresh or dried Eleusine indica leaves a handful. Clean water about 2 to 3 cups. Instructions: wash the leaves thoroughly. Boil the leaves in the water for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow it to cool slightly, then strain. Drink 1 cup 2 to 3 times daily. 2. Leaf juice. This is used for a more concentrated dose. Instructions: crush fresh leaves to extract the juice. Use a mortar or blender. Filter the juice with clean cloth or sieve. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of the juice 2 times daily. Optional: mix with a little honey or warm water to improve taste and soothe the throat. Follow me for more.